This is the POWERTEC 70331 router table dust collection system. It's used to build a new style of router table, one that's light and ultimately portable, as we can now do away with the heavy and cumbersome dust collection box. Dust is collected at the source straight to your collector. It's a dual system, so dust is collected from the router table surface as well as below. The kit comes with everything that you see here, and assembly is a breeze. With that said, let's have a look at assembly for the rubber intake that connects to the base of the router. This is the key to this product. Start by adding the foam strips to the rubber air intake, which attaches to the router base. These help to maintain an airtight seal, no matter what brand of router you use. And that's the tough part done. Next, we can start attaching the hoses for final assembly. And there you have it, a new way to route. You can use this setup for a permanent router station or very quickly disassemble and reassemble as needed. The POWERTEC 70331 router table dust collection system. It's new, it's flexible. Work safe, folks, and breathe easy too.